This is the solution for Additional Mathematics, Chapter 8, Circular Measure, Exercise 8.2, Question number 5. ABCD is a rectangle with AB being 6 cm and BC being 16 cm. O is the midpoint of BC. OAED is a sector of a circle, the center being O. Let's start with Part A. Part A requires us to find the length of AO. We can find AO using the lengths already given to us in the question. Since O is the midpoint of BC, we know that BO equals to 8 cm. To find AO, we will use the Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square equals to c square. We will replace the variables with our values, and it will be 6 square plus 8 square equals to AO square, since AO is the hypotenuse. To calculate the answer, we will isolate AO to one side of the equation, and take the square root of the other side. Use your calculator to get the answer. The final answer is AO equals to 10 centimeters. Now, moving on to Part B, we need to find the angle AOD in radians. First, we will draw an imaginary line through the center of the triangle to help us calculate half of the angle AOD. Using the lengths we already know and by using tangent, we can calculate the value of x. To isolate angle x on one side of the equation, we will use the inverse of tangent on the other side. Using the calculator you can get the answer for x. Angle x equals to 53.13 degrees, which is half of angle AOD. To get the complete angle AOD, we will multiply this answer by 2. Angle AOD equals to 106.26 degrees. But since the question requires us to give the answer for angle AOD in radians, we will multiply this with pi over 180, to change the angle from degrees to radians. The final answer is 1.85 radians. For the last part, Part C, we need to calculate the perimeter of the shaded area, which is this. The perimeter equals to the length AO plus DO plus the arc length AED. We will begin by finding the arc length AED, using the formula radius times the angle in radians. From solving the previous two parts, we know the radius is 10 centimeters and the angle is 1.85 radians. We will multiply both and use the calculator to get the answer. The length of arc AOD is 18.5 centimeters. Now that we know the length of arc AOD, we need to add it with lengths AO and DO. Both of the lengths are same and equal to 10. Therefore, we will add 10 twice to the arc length. Add this up in the calculator and your answer should be 38.5 centimeters. And that's it. Thank you for watching.